How to fix printing error 0x000006BA in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Running printer troubleshooter. If that didn't work, the print spooler is a software program that manages the printing process. If it malfunctions or stops, it could cause the 0x000006BA error. Restarting the spooler can often rectify this problem. Fix 3. Updating printer drivers. Outdated or corrupted printer drivers can also cause printing errors. Regularly updating these drivers ensures that your printer can communicate effectively with your computer. If that didn't work, the printer's folder houses temporary files for ongoing print jobs. Over time, these files may build up and interfere with the print spooler service, leading to errors like 0x000006BA. Clearing these files can help restore proper functioning. Both the System File Checker and Deployment Image Servicing and Management are built-in Windows tools designed to repair corrupted or damaged system files. While SFC focuses on smaller system files, DISM can repair the Windows system image. Running these tools sequentially can often resolve complex system issues, including the 0x000006BA 6 ba error. 0x000006 ba 6 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 ba After entering all command, restart your computer and try again and your problem should be fixed.